Wait, it's okay. Sometimes though they do have the boom, boom, boom. So uh, you should say maybe it's most of the time live music because
What
it's
boom boom boom? What's that?
when we walk in, that big disco ball's going, and the they have the
Oh,
chicka chicka chicka. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I'm your host Leslie.
and I'm Rick.
Today we're going to talk about what is offered on a cruise ship when you're in your 50s.
So we're going to start with what does Royal Caribbean offer? Royal Caribbean offers great live music. If you're just walking around the pool deck, the calypso bands out there, usually live all the time,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Mm-hmm.
The Broadway shows
Oh, the
are
Broadway shows are amazing.
they're great, and it's live music.
It is. It's their
It's
orchestras. Yeah.
unbelievable.
The Broadway shows that we have seen on there have just been 10 out of 10, all of them.
Absolutely.
On the Allure, we've seen Mamma Mia. On Independence, we've seen Grease 2 times.
Right.
Actually, we've seen Mamma Mia 2 times too.
Mm-hmm.
We are going on the Icon, which is the Wizard of Oz. I cannot wait. I cannot wait. That's my all-time favorite movie as a child. And the new one too, they're coming out with Back to the Future.
Yeah, and Star of the Seas
Yeah.
coming out in 2025.
So they definitely do have great Broadway shows. I mean, wow.
Yeah. So yeah, the live music, the Broadway shows on Royal Caribbean are fantastic. One other thing I really like on the Oasis class ships is the solarium.
Mm-hmm.
It's an enclosed 18 and over,
Mm-hmm.
or is it 16 and
No,
over?
they changed it. It's 18 now.
18
Mm-hmm.
and
Yep.
over.
Adults
Area.
only.
Yeah.
Yep.
Usually you have your own bar, your own swimming pool, jacuzzis.
Hot tubs. Yeah,
Just
it's
everything.
great.
So yeah, the solarium is usually one of my favorite spots always on a Royal Caribbean ship.
And Central Park definitely
Oh,
too. You can't forget that.
it's unbelievable
It is.
walking through Central Park. You after a nice dinner, maybe on a formal night, you finish dinner and you go for a walk,
Mm-hmm.
and you literally walk through Central
Mm-hmm.
Park.
It's open above you.
Oh,
The stars are just shining. It's not like anything you've ever seen.
it's amazing. And
It's
again,
beautiful.
there's live music.
Mm-hmm.
There's a classical
Yeah.
guitarist sitting there,
Mm-hmm.
or a violinist.
Yeah, it's great.
It is amazing just sailing through the Caribbean and literally walking through Central Park is next level.
It is. So the next one I think we should talk about is going to be Princess. They have a very elegant and relaxed atmosphere for 50-year-olds. It's comfortable is the word I would use.
Yeah.
Very.
Definitely.
Yeah.
They do a very, very good job with to cater to people in our 50s, like
Right.
all of us.
Right.
The dining is high quality.
It is. Yeah.
So like we touched on a couple videos ago, it's not just when you're sailing in your 50s, it's not just going to dinner, right? It's that entire experience.
It is. You're right.
It's just they up everything. So Princess is definitely a good choice if that's what you're leaning to. And the ships are actually designed for people with mobility issues.
Mm-hmm.
So if you have a little trouble getting around,
yep,
Princess really caters to that, and that's important.
That's important. The next one we're going to talk about is going to be Disney. That one basically is going to be you're there with your family. You're going to have a great time with your grandkids. A lot of kids, your average 50-year-olds aren't going to go on it by themselves.
Yeah, they could, but it's going to be really
more with the grandkids and family.
Driven.
Yeah.
But then you had that whole atmosphere of Disney, right? Everything is themed with Disney.
Mm-hmm. Which, if you love Disney, hey, that's your thing then.
Yeah.
What? No matter what age you are.
Yeah. We've interviewed our friends that have cruised Disney a lot, and they say it is next level. So
yeah.
Disney Cruise Lines, another great option. Okay, the next one we're going to cover is Carnival Cruise Lines. It is a relaxed, affordable cruise line we've all seen the commercials. And one really cool thing is what they have a discount.
They do for 55 and over, that's really nice.
Absolutely.
That's good on them for doing that.
So,
Other ones should.
So yeah, if you just want to jump on a ship and get out and sail, definitely look into Carnival. And then there's Virgin Cruise Lines, which is for the 18 and older crowd. They're very modern and stylish ships. High quality food again. They really push the foodies.
Yes.
So if that's really important to you, man, you're gonna have to try out.
And it looks like it's a very sophisticated atmosphere too.
Absolutely. Yeah. So look into Virgin Cruise Lines.
The last one we're going to talk about is Silverseas. They're the high luxury that's very pampered to you because of the high ratio of the crew to the passengers.
Yes.
Definitely.
Yeah. So it's a more personalized, mature atmosphere. Mm-hmm. So if that's something that you are interested in, definitely look into Silversea.
Yeah, absolutely. Some really great ones out there.
I would love to sail Silversea. We're just not there right now.
Not yet.
So yeah, that's just kind of touching on kind of what some of these ships are offered, that offer you. And thanks for hanging out with us. We'll catch you next time.
Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I'm your host, Leslie.
And I'm Rick. And today we're going to talk about what items... Oh my gosh. What am I saying?
What items? This is going to have a lot of bloops on it. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I'm your host, Leslie.
And I'm Rick. Today we're going to talk about what is offered on all these ships that are sailing these great big blue oceans.
Okay. Okay. Those great big blue oceans.
So we need to get out there.
Okay, this is not going to be... We're starting out laughing already.
Oh, you don't want to use that?
No. Okay. Three's a charm. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I'm your host, Leslie.
And I'm Rick. And today we're going to break down what is offered on all these ships that we have to
on this great big blue ocean.
Come on.
Do you want me to try to say it? Do you want me to try to say it?
And there's Virgin Cruise Lines, which is 18 and plus. 18 and over, right?
18 and plus. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm your host, Leslie.
And I'm Rick. And today we're going to be breaking down what are offered. What
are offered? Oh shit. Okay.